In this video, I'm going to show you how to make game pass on roblox. So first of all, if you're using android phone, then you can go to any chrome browser or browser to and search roblox.com. So it will take you to the home page, but before you have to log in into your account and with your username and password. Once you log in, it will take you to this home page. Once you reach this home page, now tap on three dot and enable the desktop site version. Enable this for this mode because this website works on only desktop, so you have to enable desktop version on your mobile if you're using this app is this website on your phone. So if you're using iphone, then you can tap on you can go if you're using the Safari browser, you have to tap on smallest a and capital A in the search and bar and just tap on it and enable the desktop version. You have to enable the desktop version in both mobile, whether you are using android or iphone. Now if you want to create a game pass, just tap on this create tab. It will take you to the creation tabs. So now you have to tap on this experience image. Now tap on three bar, the menu, and tap on this associate items. Now you can see that there is passes tab, so you just need to tap on it. Now your game all the game passes will be listed here. If you want to create, you just have to tap on create a pass. So if you want to create a game pass, just tap on upload image to upload your image of your game pass, and the image format should be in jpg, png and bmp. Now you have to enter the name of the game pass. You can enter the description, but it is not mandatory, and just tap on this create pass. So when you once you create the game pass, now it's time to configure it. So after the update, guys, configure becomes a little complicated. So if you want to configure, you have to tap on the newly created game pass. So suppose this is my game pass that I have already newly created. So just tap on it. Now you have to tap on menu button or menu icon, three bar, and tap on save. Now in sale, can configure your game pass, like, and you can enter the price, any price here, like I'm gonna enter 40 robux, and you can enable the item for sale. So first you have to tap on this toggle button and enter the price again and tap on save changes. Now your game pass has been set up for the sale. Now you can just need to add this game pass. You just need to add this game pass into your please donate. So that's how it works. So hope you like it, hope you understood that how to create a game pass. Thanks for watching. Bye.